Welcome to Champs Training. In this video, we're going to look at how to run reports in Champs. And it's because there's a couple of options that you have available. Here on the report generation summary page is a list of all of the available reports. And you'll notice a couple of icons here. The PDF icon is going to run a report without any parameters or filters. So it's going to go and just pull back everything that it possibly can that report's looking for. And sometimes that's great. It's just what you want. So when you click the PDF icon, it'll generate a PDF, and of course, depending on your browser, sometimes that's going to give you a pop-up, sometimes it'll be here at the bottom. You can click on that and take a look at your printable PDF of the report. Now in this case, it's looking at a test data set, so it's a small amount of information. This report generated 4 pages, but if you had thousands and thousands of equipment records with work order costs associated to them, this report could be hundreds and hundreds of pages long. And so if you click that PDF button, it might be too much for the system to handle and more than you would ever want to dig through. It would even probably give you an error message saying that this is too much information. So what can we do? We have our view icon, which allows us to add some filters by different parameters that report's looking for, so that it can be a smaller set of data. For example, the period field here is related to an accounting period, so that's going to be a specific time frame. Sometimes you'll have a start date and an end date that you can filter by, or maybe just a particular piece of equipment that you want to get the report run by. So here you can set up those parameters. If you type anything in there, make sure that the apply checkbox is checked for the parameters you do want to filter by, because sometimes you'll run the report a couple different ways, so you can toggle those checkboxes and then click the PDF icon and it's going to give you a smaller report.